Hi, and welcome back. I guess it's been a little while, hasn't it? Things got really busy, as they so often do, and other, more pressing projects came up. And so, in the end, we didn't have as much time to work on the gazebo. But in the last week or so, we were sort of able to get back on track, so I hope you'll stick around for the fourth installment of these videos. First of all, as promised, here is a clip showing the completed floors. The reason we're doing this is so that, when the time comes, we can place poles down into each of these holes and attach them to the already existing frame to help stabilize the roof we'll be putting on. We're going to try to reuse as much of the old roof as possible, but in order to safely do so, we first need to do something about all of the old, rusty nails sticking out. At the end here, you can see me using a magnet to pick up all of the nails my dad removed. To finish up the video, I thought I'd bring you along on a little walk with me, because the leaves are so beautiful around this time.